All right, y'all, we just took this hot rod out for a spin. It's got the Zard exhaust right there. Isn't that just pretty? Carbon fiber, black. Snakes around like that, hooks the pipe. Just a gorgeous piece of work. Howdy y'all, Fuzzy Biker here. This is a brand new Royal Enfield Scram 411. The red and white color, I'm not sure what that's called. This one's a little special. Can you hear that? It's got a Zard pipe on it. Absolutely amazing sound. I love it, I love it, I love it. Can you hear it? I'll crack my helmet a little bit. I love the sound, just love it. Beautiful, beautiful. These bikes are a hoot. These are just like a Royal Enfield Himalayan, except they've got, they don't have the front end gear. They're lighter, they don't have a center stand. I think the tire sizes are different. I think the front tire is a 100 by 90 versus a 90-90. They've got a slightly different suspension and a smaller, it's got a 19-inch front tire versus, and that's very evident, versus a 21 like a normal Himalayan has. Isn't that just nice? This bike is so new that everything is, it's only got 3 miles on it. Everything's kind of clunky yet. That is the derailed grill here in Marnie, Iowa. If you ever get to Marnie, Iowa, give those people a try. This thing is a hoot. It just is a hoot. What a grin. What a grin. Look how tight that handles. That is excellent. Just absolutely excellent. Loads of torque. Now listen. Oh, I can't go fast in town. Let's go this way. Maybe we can go this way a little bit. Wahoo! Listen to that sound. I love it. I love it. What a thing of joy. So these motors are single cylinder, 411cc, single overhead cam. They put out about 24-ish horsepower and about as much torque. Can't remember what that is in Newton meters, something like 32 Newton meters or something like that. Ground clearance on this particular model is, I'll put it down below. Weight on these is a little less than a Himalayan, and I'll put that down below too. The feeling is, it's much more city bike feeling. Now the idea, this is more of a scrambler, I would say. Where the Himalayan is more of an adventure bike, this is more of a, you know, a ride in the city all week long. Now it's the weekend, I'm going to go out and have some fun on the dirt. This is definitely that. It's got a much more nimble handling, much more, it has a much more nimble feeling handling. And it seems a lot lighter, you know. It's a lot twitchier, a lot better that way. Anyway, if you are interested in something like this, get yourself down here to Baxter Cycle, right there. BaxterCycle.com. They sell new and used Triumphs and Royal Enfields of all types, and all kinds of beautiful old vintage bikes. They also have a great selection of accessories right here on hand in stock. They ship all over the country. BaxterCycle.com. What a beautiful day for motorcycle riding, my friends. Life is good. Now get out there and ride. Wahoo! Absolutely amazing sound. I love it, I love it, I love it. Can you hear it?